Warning: graphic video. All animals were taken legally. Viewer discretion is advised.
You got him! Good shot. Wow.
Hey guys, James here with West Coast Varmint Hunters. So we were out shooting some rabbits and I found this guy right over here on a rock and I got a real nice shot right through his neck area. Pretty big rabbit. I mean, not too bad. Good shot, a nice clean kill. So another rabbit taken. Hey guys, it's Wes from West Coast Varmint Hunter. Today is an amazing day. We came to this new location and then within 10 minutes we have 2 rabbits. We got the third one around 30 minutes. But they're all super clean shots. This one is the one I shot. It's honestly one of the bigger ones that we've gotten. Our first one was quite small, but that was the biggest at the time. June's was probably the biggest, but yeah.
Perfect.
Devin here, the newest member of West Coast Varmint Hunters. This is our second rabbit of the day. We got it just coming out of one of these bushes up on the hill. It was a neck shot, so it put it down pretty much instantly. Yeah, but like I said, it was our second rabbit of the day, so altogether, pretty good day.